Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the last part 3 of this little medieval dance tunes medley. This is an arrangement that I put together because I was obsessed with a performance that I watched on YouTube of a medieval vielle player play this medley, and they were in various parts of various books that I had, and so I just thought I'm going to put them all in one place, and that way I can share it with my studio and share it with you on Patreon and share it with you on YouTube. So all the links to everything are below in the description. We're going to look at the Kettle Drum, which is from the English Dancing Master from 1651. You can find that on IMSLP. And we're also going to do a review of the Stannis Morris, because the medley goes Horses Brawl, Stannis Morris, Kettle Drum, and then Stannis Morris again. That's what this performer did, and I just really love that. Let's begin with just kind of getting into the Kettle Drum. So I'm going to play the end of the Stannis Morris, which is the second tune, and it does do a little crescendo and a cello rondo into the Kettle Drum, which really takes off. So here's the end of the Stannis Morris. Into the Stannis Morris again a little bit faster. So we enter the Kettle Drum with the Stannis Morris and we leave the Kettle Drum with the Stannis Morris. So this one is quite difficult to play. It's just like, you know, all those hours that you spend doing Sevchik or Shradiak, or scales, this is the time where it really, really pays off. So let me play it without the drone. This is also in D minor, so I've got this low 2 on the D string and low 1 on the A string with a bunch of whole steps. So I'll go a little slower. And it repeats. Here is the second half. Repeats. And that's when it goes into the Stannis Morris, which we looked at in the second video in this I guess 3-part video compilation of the medieval dance tunes medley tutorials. So last thing to just kind of remind you of is that we can add a drone. So if when your melody is on the D string, you can add open A. And when your melody is on the G string, you can add open D. This is kind of scary. Try to keep your bow really courageous in there. So, because it's kind of, you know, a rough and tumbly kind of dance. Thank you once again. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you'll check out the dances. I hope you'll check out all the little links below for you. And I'll see you all very soon.